In this project, we consider that we have a school project, so we have some guidelines for that project. You can see on the left, and in the right we will use LibreOffice and we'll try to follow all the criteria here. So let's begin. Let's open a new Writer document. Let's save it as school project. So it's an empty document. And now let's begin. So the first criteria is paper size A4. So let's go to Format, Page Style, and we have Format of the paper in the Page tab. It's A4. It's correct. Let's go further. Margins, top and left 3 cm. Top and left 3 cm. So let's press 3 and top 3. Right and bottom 2. So it's correct. Let's apply. Okay. Now we have text font, Carlito black 12 points, line spacing 1.5 and justified, and we have chapters the same as above, so the same Carlito black and so on, but with bold text. But for example, here we have an example of, in the table of contents, chapter 2 subchapter 1. So we need to specify 3 kinds of text style. We need text, simple text, we need chapters and subchapters. So let's begin. Let's by default here we have all styles. So let's begin. What we want to do first, we want to create a new style for the text. So we go for any one from here, but I want to use the default paragraph style. Right click and create a new one. In the General tab, we press, I want to rename it my text. I want to have together my text, my chapter, my subchapter. So I want to begin with my. But it's not necessary. So let's go to see what we have to follow. So the font should be Carlito. Font tab, here, Carlito. Let's change the language to English. OS. The font, so Carlito is done. The family font is Carlito. The color should be black, so we go to Font Effects, Font Color. We want to specify that it's black. We don't want to be automatic. The font size to be 12. Let's check. Font size is 12. Line spacing 1.5. So here spacing. Line spacing 1.5. And justify. Alignment. Justify. Apply. OK. So let's check if we have this style we have created. You can see here my text. Later we will go to custom style, so we will see just styles that we have created. So in this case we created just my text. So let's go to all styles. We want to create now the chapter style. So my text, we want a new style, so will be my chapter. What we want different, same as above, but with bold text. So font, not regular, I want bold. apply, OK. So let's see, custom style. I have my text and I have my chapter. Let's create from my chapter a new style, my subchapter. My subchapter. So everything is the same, but we will see later the difference. It looks similar. I didn't change anything, it's just the name, but you will see later what is the reason for that. It's for table of content. I want to be generated automatically. So let's check first all these 4 conditions. So paper, let's check again, right click, page style, it's A4, it's correct. Margins, top it's 3, and left it's 3, right and bottom it's 2. Now let's see the text. This is the style for our text. Let's write something. So I have this paragraph. Let's select it or click inside and double click on my text. So let's see, it's Carlito, it's 12, it's black. Let's check again. So font effects is black, font size it's 12, line spacing it's 1:5, and alignment justify. Everything is fine until here. Now let's check my chapter. You can see it's bold from here. Let's check font bold, and the same subchapter it's bold. So in this episode we have seen the project beginning from a new text, and we have created the document setup, paper size, paper margins, text font, chapters font. Let's write a title, a chapter title, chapter, subchapter. So if I double click chapter and here subchapter, this is how the project will look like. What I want more is not mentioned here, but I want for my text to have for the first line a little bit of indent. Okay, looks much better. And for my chapter I want to have 0. Okay, so chapter, subchapter, and the text will be with this indent here. So if I begin a new paragraph, I know that the paragraph is beginning here, here, and so on. So that was all for episode 1. We will see more in the next episode. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.